Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Susana and today we are going to edit a square thank you card. The size of this card is 3 by 3 inches. With this purchase, you are going to receive 3 designs that are in English and 3 designs that are in Spanish. This is your English version, so you would see here the first design, the second, your third design, and your social media icons. Here you have your Spanish cards. Again, here the first design, the second, and the third. The last page has your social media icons. You are going to also receive a template to allow you to print 6 cards per sheet. Before we start, I want to mention the things you can't do on this template. You cannot change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. So let me go ahead and point out the artwork for you here. So the artwork is the background. You can change the color of the graphic, and also the gold aligned here. You cannot change that. Now you can change everything else. So let's click on the white area and select a color. You can also change the color of the text, the size, and the font type. And that goes for all the text you see here. To edit the text, just double click and start typing. You can change the color of the social media icons as well. Let's upload our logo, so we want to go ahead and remove our placeholder. Let's go to the left hand side and click on uploads. And here we want to upload our logo, so you click on uploads. I have my logo here already, so I am going to select it. Now my logo has a transparent background. What that means is if I was to change the color of the background here, it's going to blend in. If you have a logo with a color background like this one, what you want to do is go to Elements, scroll down, go to the section called Frames, and click on the circle. Click on your logo and drag, and now it should look perfectly fine. So this is the front of the card and this is the back of the card. So let's go ahead and print one of the cards. I'm going to select the first design. So let's go to the top right and click on the little arrow that's pointing upward and click Save As. And I'm going to select PNG, but you can select JPEG, whichever you prefer. And let's select page 2 and 3, which is right here, page 2 and 3, the front and back of the card. Click Download. And these are my cards here as PNG. What you want to do now is go to your printer template, which is this one right here. We are going to go to the left hand side and click Uploads, Upload Media, and click on our cards. So the next thing you want to do is click on the little plus where it says Add Page. The little squares here are 3 by 3, which is the size of our little square that we created here. Do not delete the first page, because this is your template. If for any reason the lines were to disappear, go back to your first page, go to Files, make sure you have your ruler and your guides on. You'll see the little check mark, and just click on the little ruler and you'll see the little guides again, and just drag. They're going to snap to the edge of the square, and just do that to each edge of each square. It should look like this again. So let's click on our card and make it small to fit on that little area. And let's just copy. This is the front of the card, so we want to add another page to add the back of the card. So what we want to do here is now save our cards as a PDF. So you go to the top right and click on the little arrow pointing upward again. Click on Save As. This time we're going to select PDF Print. And we want to only print page 2 and 3. Done. Download. And here is our PDF. So this is our PDF file and we are ready to print. If you guys have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching and you guys have a fabulous day.